Parth. So today we have brought these color pencils of domes, and it contains 24 shades and it is of the super soft edition. So these are all the colors we get, and so let's start with the blending experience. So first is our blending experience. In blending we will take two colors which are red and yellow. So let's blend them. So as you all can see here, this red and yellow have blended together well, but this I will give them 8 out of 10 because of the blending experience. So that's all for today's review. Till then, bye bye.
To change your